Hi, welcome to Onmanorama Food. I am Shruti, owner of the Magic Whisk. Today we are going to prepare a milkshake. This is not just a regular milkshake, this is strawberry cheesecake milkshake, and this is an apt choice for your Valentine's Day celebration. Now put all the ingredients into the blender and blend it well. So our milkshake is ready. I have covered the rim of the jar with some biscuit crumbs. Now we'll pour the milkshake into the jar. And we'll garnish this with some whipping cream. Our strawberry cheesecake milkshake is ready.